Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe update today. So since yesterday we talked about paying your sales, and this is really the most recommended thing to do. And you can see that today we're starting to maybe make some red candles here, which is pretty much expected. I was expecting this ever since this technical target was done. So I'm telling you, this right here is something that is not very strong. Okay, there's only one thing on the Fibonacci retracement that tells me, you know what, maybe perhaps we might just move up there. So if I take your fib retracement and I place the fib retracement from top to bottom, then you can see that it's actually the, can you see this 2.618 technical target out there. So we've actually come all the way up to 2. You can already see that's I mean, all the inverse head and shoulder technical targets I've been telling you were always on the fib level. Okay, I gave you this target here, it came up to that target. We talked about 13606, it actually was the 1.414. Now one target is left, the final target is that one, 2.618 right over here, 21,634. Okay, and I've actually marked it as 21,556, so it's pretty much close, but it may not happen. It may just not happen, and I'm going to tell you why. Now, before I tell you the main reason, do you remember, if you've been watching the channel, and if you're new, make sure you're following because you may never see the channel again. And if you remember back in the days when I was talking about left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and this is where exactly we were getting all that technical target, which was 13,000 and 17,000. So if I had to tell you, I mean, this is a bullish pattern, and everyone was happy I told them the bullish pattern. Well, we still have to be honest, because there's one bearish pattern that I have to tell you, and this is known as rising wedge. Okay, so this, like that, and if I take another trend line like this, you can see that this is a bearish pattern known as ascending triangle. So you're going up and up, and then you broke to the downside. You might go back for the retest, get rejected, and then come down, and you may see 13,648. I'm telling you this one right on time, because in the future a lot of people may get disappointed, and I'm always telling you, follow the channel and whatnot. This is crazy, and if you look at it, you have actually broken and you're retesting. So support, move up, support, move up, support, move up, a break to the downside, and if you zoom in right in there, it's clear as the moon that you broke down, you're going for the retest, and you're turning that into a resistance, whatever was support before. So it's actually not a good idea. Now, invalidation happens if you see Pepe coming up to 17,246. This to me is going to be a savior, right? That to me is going to be a savior. So if you're not going to come and close above 17,246, and if you actually do that, if you actually end up coming up like this and holding it, I think you have strong chances of actually pushing up to that final target we have. So be very careful, and that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.